Hi you guys, so this is your girl Nisa and I'm coming with a quick video, you guys. So lately, well, not even lately, but I've seen this hair edge controller probably about months ago, probably last year sometime I saw it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out, I'm buy this, that, and the third or whatever. Never got around to buying it. So it has come back up on my social media platforms, seeing the ads about it and everything, and I decided to go ahead and purchase it. So, so I decided to go ahead and purchase the edge control stuff. So I am so excited. Haven't put it on my head. You see my head is a mess. I have micro links in my hair, you guys. Isn't, oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm trying to get myself together, you guys. But I'm gonna do a video on these as well. But anywho, so here we go. Here is the edge control, you guys. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Turn my light. This is the edge control, you guys, and it is by Arcani, or I'm not sure the name. Arcani Coil Care, and their videos are everywhere pertaining to this edge control, everywhere. And this is a, what size? I don't know if this is an 8-ounce jar, and this was $25. I think it's an 8-ounce jar. I'm not sure. This is the top of it. And this edge control, you put it on and you rub it. You're supposed to rub it until it dries, and your edges do not move. Again, I haven't put it on my head yet because I got to put some more things in my head, so I haven't tried it just yet. But when I do put it on, I will be back with another video. But this is it, you guys. Look at this. And look, when I say this stuff has been having people edges like on fleek, yeah, this is the inside of it. Again, I haven't touched it. I haven't did anything with it. It has a nice soft scent to it. I absolutely love the scent. It has a nice soft scent to it. But I haven't put it on my hair yet. I'm going to do another video with me putting it with it on my hair and everything to show you guys how how it is, and is it worth the money? Is it really what all the hype has been floating around social media about? I am going to try it out, and that way you guys can go and purchase, you guys, because they have an Instagram page, Facebook page, Twitter page. Yeah, Arcani Coil Care. That's their name, their social medias. And the videos on this right here has been crazy. Like after it dries and you rub it, like your edges don't move. So you guys, I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna do another video after putting this on my head to let you know what I think of this, the pros and cons, if there are any cons. But yeah, this right here, you guys, I just received it in the mail today, and I'm super excited about this, you guys. So stay tuned for the follow-up video, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Comment, subscribe, let your girl know what it is. I haven't been up here in a while. I have plenty of videos that I need to upload that I just haven't had the chance to do it yet. But yeah, stay tuned, you guys. Your girl will be back with another video.